Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Great.
Are you ready for this morning learning?
I'm ready.
Okay, so before we start, let's pray first. Rehan, I want you to instruct your friends to pray first.
Everyone, pay attention. Let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Rehan. Now I will check your attendance. Does anybody else in this class is absent today?
Akum.
Yeah, and then
Akum.
okay. Let's move to our main material. What is in front of the class? What do you see?
Procedure text.
Does anybody know in this class what procedure text is? If you know, raise your hand, please. Okay, Risma, what do you know about procedure text?
This is the text with the many steps to making the something, how to do something or how making the something.
Okay, Melanie.
Telling someone to make something.
Okay, so procedure text is when you want to make or operate something. And I want to ask you about some activity that you did, that you ever done. Shafiq, I want to ask you, have you ever make instant noodles? Instant noodles, have you ever made? Apa kamu pernah membuat
Yes.
instan? Ya, that's called procedure text. Jadi itu bisa dibilang sebagai procedure text. Okay, so our material today procedure text. There will be the definition, purpose, general structure, language feature, kind of procedure text, and example. Jadi setiap kita ingin mempelajari suatu teks, yang diolah atau yang dibahas pasti tentang ini: definisi, tujuan, struktur bahasa, ciri kebahasaan, jenisnya, dan contoh. So there are 6 of materials today of procedure text, and let's move to the definitions. Here's the definition of procedure text. Tidak jauh seperti yang dikatakan oleh Risma dan Melanie ya. Jadi procedure text is a text that explain, informs, or helps the readers on how to make or use something. Jadi procedure text itu memang teks yang menunjukkan atau menjelaskan sesuatu atau menginformasikan sesuatu kepada pembacanya atau pendengar tentang memakai atau membuat sesuatu seperti itu. Dan langsung lanjut ke the purpose atau tujuan. So I want Shafiq, can you read the purpose of procedure text?
The purpose of procedure text is to show how something is made, used, done through sequence of steps.
Oke, jadi procedure text, the purpose-nya itu tentang teks yang menampilkan bagaimana sesuatu itu bisa selesai atau berjalan dan secara runtut seperti itu. Let's move to the next topic. Here's the generic structure. There are 3 generic structure of procedure text. I want Ika, can you help me please to read this one?
For the generic structure, from first is goal. Goal is a procedural text structure that explains the purpose or goal. The second is material. Material is procedural text structure that describes the tools and materials needed. And the last is step. The next procedural text structure is step, which contains step or instruction in doing or doing something.
Oke, thank you Ika. Jadi di procedure text itu ada 3 generic structure. Yang pertama ialah goal atau tujuan. Jadi ini bisa, kalau di procedure text itu bisa menjadi judul atau title-nya. Terus yang kedua ada material. Jadi material itu seperti misal kita membuat mie. Nah, itu pasti ada bahan atau alat yang kita butuhkan untuk membuat mie. Terus yang terakhir adalah step. Step ini merupakan langkah-langkah ketika kita melakukan sesuatu atau membuat sesuatu. Dan pada tahap langkah ini nanti di generic structure itu harus clear dan harus runtut seperti itu agar pembaca itu bisa memahami apa instruksi yang diberikan oleh pembuat teksnya. language feature atau ciri kebahasaan. There is two language feature in procedure text. The first one is simple present tense. I think you know about the simple present tense. It's quite familiar to you guys. Procedure text contain comment sentence about how to make or do something. Jadi memang simple present tense ini memang tenses yang dipakai ketika kalian membuat procedure text. And then second is imperative sentence atau kalimat perintah. Imperative sentence are always preceded by verb one of an action verb or a verb that involves physical activity. Example, had 3 onions and mix it well. Jadi imperative sentence itu diawali dengan kata kerja verb 1. Seperti di example-nya itu ada kata had yang dalam bahasa Indonesia itu menambahkan. Seperti itu. Next. Number 3 of language feature of procedure text, there is connectives atau kata penghubung to make the list of instruction coherent and easy to understand. Example, firstly, secondly, then, after that, and finally. Jadi connectives ini nanti pada tahap step itu bakal sering kita jumpa seperti langkah-langkahnya. Firstly, secondly, then, and then finally. And the last of language feature, there is adverb. Its purpose is to provide time information. And in adverb of procedure text, there are two kinds. Those are adverb of time. It indicates how long you have to do something. Example, in 10 minutes for 1 hour. And second is adverb of manner or an adverb of how to do something. Seperti contohnya yaitu slowly, well, and evenly. Next is kind of procedure text. Feby, can you help me to read this one?
Yeah. Kinds of procedure text. First, procedure text then explain how to operate or do something. Examples include how to use an air fryer, how to use a dishwasher, how to use a camera. And second, procedure text that give instructions on how to perform certain activities. Examples include how to play the violin, and how to create a website, and how to make rendang.
Oke, thank you Feby. Jadi jenisnya procedure text itu memang ada dua ya. Jadi yang pertama yaitu procedure text yang menjelaskan tentang bagaimana kita mengoperasikan sesuatu atau alat. Seperti contohnya itu air fryer, terus alat atau mesin cuci, terus bagaimana cara kita memakai kamera. Terus yang kedua ada procedure text yang menginstruksikan bagaimana performa dalam suatu aktivitas, seperti bagaimana kita membuat website, terus bagaimana cara kita ketika ingin membuat rendang, seperti itu. And then here's the example of procedure text. Ini saya ambil dari suatu website Ruang Guru. And there are not the connectives, imperative sentence, and adverbs. I want Risma, can you help me to write this example of procedure text? Okay, toh? Okay, I will read it to you guys. So the procedure is how to grow carrots. Bagaimana cara budidaya wortel. The materials is carrot seeds, sun, garden pads, soil, seed, shovel, water, and rain. Jadi ini masuk ke generic structure yang kedua, yaitu materials atau equipment. And then the next generic structure is step. Jadi ini generic structure yang terakhir, yang ketiga, tentang langkah-langkah bagaimana sesuatu itu terjadi. Step 1, firstly turn the dirt over with the shovel, and then until the end, finally wet around 6 and bla bla bla. Nah, ini termasuk ke generic structure bagian step of procedure text. Terus di sini juga sudah ditandai maksudnya apa bagian yang termasuk ke dalam connectives, apa kata-kata yang termasuk ke imperative sentence dan adverbs. Nanti bisa kalian pelajari di PPT. it's time to discuss, guys. I will provide 5 topics in screen, and I want you to work in individual, and you have to make procedure text based on 5 procedure text that I have provide, and I will give you time 10 minutes. You can write down on your book. Time start now. Okay, thank you. Right now I want Risma, can you go in front of the class and explain your work to everyone? Okay, thank you, Risma. I think that's good job. And then I think that's all about our material today about the procedure text. And I hope you guys are already know about the material. And for the last, I want to ask you about procedure text is like the reflection. Rehan, what did we learn today?
Prosedur text.
Okay, so what is the general structure of procedure text?
Goals, materials, and steps.
Okay, so can you mention one or two the language feature of procedure text?
Imperative,
Imperative sentence?
sentence, conjunction,
No.
Connectivist.
Connectives. Nah, that's good. Thank you, Rehan. I think that's all guys about our today material. And I want you guys to work in a group. It's based on you. What do you want your group mate? And I want you to make the procedure text, and you will present your group project or group work in front of the class next meeting in front of the class. I think that's all about today. Thank you so much for your attention, for your participation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.